Okay, bonjour. Now, we did lesson 3 à la cantine. In the canteen, in that you learned your verb être, then you learned your les pronoms sujet, the subjective pronouns, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, singular and plural side. Then you learn cinquième, sixième, that is numbers you did. Few of the numbers you learned, ordinal numbers. In English, 1, 2, 3, and ordinal number is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. Same way in French you did. Few of the numbers on cinquième or sixième. You did your exercises of textbook and workbook we discussed. Okay? You had your lesson 4 by Preeti Raval ma'am. Your videos has been shared in YouTube and it is has been shared in your groups also of the WhatsApp, and soon you will be getting it in your ERP. Okay? Then you have done some of the new things again in leçon 4, les objets et les jeunes, that is inunender, which you learned last year, then adjectives which you learned last year, but what was new? Some more adjectives and some more examples which made you learn your objects and your people. Then you must have done your vocabulary and exercises. Today I am going to give you the introduction of lesson 5. Lesson 4 is done by Preeti ma'am. 5 I will be doing it. 5, fifth lesson. Lesson 5 is La Chambre d'aller. La Chambre d'aller. See this. Lesson 5. La Chambre, the room. D apostrophe A-L-A-I-N. Alain is the name of boy. La Chambre d'Alain, the room of Alain. Okay? You all must be having your bedroom. Now, Paul and Sarah are discussing, hey Paul, did you know the President House in France dates back to the 18th century? Then Paul replies, oh great, I have heard that many old palaces house government institution in France. I have heard that many old palaces house government institutions in France. Okay? Yes, many of the castles are now government institution or taken over by government because they have their offices there in those castles. They work out from there and even maintain the castle as a historian place or a monument, and visitors come and see those places. Okay? Now, in this you will learn the things that are there in their bedroom. For example, you must be having flower vase, writing desk, then your bed, then you must be having your cupboard, some toys, everything, even your wall clock, okay, and windows, doors, everything. How do you call them in French? See the picture given here properly, and I'm reading the name from window. I'll go this way. Your windows you have in the room is known as la fenêtre. Singular, la fenêtre, a window. La is written so window is feminine. Then we have painting. Painting is la peinture. La peinture. Then l'armoire. The cupboard is l'armoire. 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 Then the door is known as la porte. La porte. It is also feminine. Your wall clock, you all know it is known as horloge. L'horloge. Then your bed on which you go to sleep is known as le lit. Then lamp near to your bed or lamp near to this boy's bed is la lampe. La lampe. The toys near to his bed is having a basket with so many balls. Balls are ballon, les ballons. Les ballons. Okay? I read this lesson. J'ai une grande chambre. Dans ma chambre, il y a un lit, une armoire, une lampe, une horloge, des ballons, une peinture, etc. Le lit est grand. The bed is big. But l'armoire est petite. The cupboard is small. It also has adjectives used, your article défini used, indéfini is used, and the introduction to the bedroom is given by the boy himself. So many things. Then what does it say more? Okay. La lampe et la peinture sont très belles. The lamp and the painting are very beautiful. C'est une belle chambre. J'aime ma chambre. C'est une belle chambre. It's a beautiful room and I love my bedroom or room. Okay? This is a small lesson which has so many important things to be learned. Now, these lessons are given and you have to fill up few exercises immediately followed by the lesson and write the answers related to lesson. Again, I say and repeat reading. You have Leçon 5, la chambre d'Alain. J'ai une grande chambre. Dans ma chambre, il y a un lit, une armoire, une lampe, une horloge, des ballons, une peinture, etc. Le lit est grand, mais l'armoire est petite. The bed is big, but the cupboard is small. Now you can see that grand, petite, opposites are coming. Big, small. La lampe et la peinture sont très belles. La lampe et la peinture sont très belles. The lamp and the painting are very beautiful. So you can see in the picture and you can make out that lamp is also beautiful with some design on it and paintings are always beautiful. C'est une belle chambre. J'aime ma chambre. It's a beautiful room and I love my bedroom or room. You learned your verb être to be in Lesson 3. In this lesson, you will have your verb avoir back. Okay? Our back. But before that, we will do these two exercises. And before I begin with the exercises, I hope you must be reading this lesson and you must be getting this translation easily, because it is really easy. But now you know how they write in French in the form of a paragraph and describe the room. So very useful and helpful. Okay, now I begin with these two exercises on page 53 of your textbook, Enchanté, book number N. The vrai ou faux, right? True or false. True is vrai, false is faux. Okay? First one is A. La chambre est grande. La chambre est grande. Okay, it is ending with E, the word grande, because chambre is feminine, so it is written elle est là. The room is big. As you can see the picture and make out, it is big. Vrai. The answer in the box you all will write is VRAI, vrai. Il y a un livre. There is a book. Do you see any book there? No. Then it is faux, F-A-U-X. It is faux and not fox. So pronounce correctly vrai or faux. La lampe est laide. La lampe est laide. What is laide? Laid is ugly. Then what is opposite of ugly? Pretty. And pretty in French is, you have the word belle. B-E-L-L, belle. Okay? Beautiful. Or you can write the word beautiful when the opposite is given. In box you are going to write faux, because the lamp is beautiful. Okay? F-A-U-X, faux. D. Il y a un lit. There is a bed. Yes, we have seen a bed in the room of Alain. Vrai. Il y a deux ballons dans la chambre. In the basket we have few ballons, more than two. So this is wrong. Faux, F-A-U-X. Now you have the opposite. Écrivez le contraire. Write the opposite. L-A-I-D-E, laid, feminine, singular. You know the sign of opposite in French is 2 equal to and a cross. The opposite of laid is belle, ugly, beautiful. The word second is mauvais. Mauvais is bad. The opposite of bad is good. Good is bon. Because mauvais is given in French masculine singular, it is not having E at the end or S at the end. You all know the opposite rules. That is, masculine singular will have opposite masculine singular only. Feminine singular will have feminine singular only as opposite. Same way, masculine plural will take masculine plural as the opposite. Feminine plural will take feminine plural as opposite. So we have mauvais, masculine singular, opposite is B-O-N, bon. B-O-N, bon. masculine singular. Last word is grow. No, it is ground because ending in E. If it is not ending in E, grown. If ending in E, groaned. Pronunciation also changes. Now, groaned is feminine, but it is in singular. It has no S at the end. So, opposite is feminine singular, petite, P-E-T-I-T-E, petite, okay? Grande, petite, grande, petite. Now, you have your avoir verb, which we will continue in the next period. Okay? Till then, au revoir.